It's another day of Vlogust, and I've discovered a destructive critter has been at work in my garden. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am so frustrated. I discovered that something has been in my garden and has just completely wrecked some of my sunflowers. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and that kind of thing, subscribe. I do videos about those topics all the time, and I also do videos about products, like product reviews that you might be able to use in your home. So if you like that kind of thing, subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link all of my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so now let's take a look at the hot mess that my sunflowers have become. I must admit, I have been doing the rabbits a disservice because I thought it was the rabbits that was doing this. What I found out, it's the squirrels. My husband said he looked out the window one day and saw a squirrel that had crawled up to the top of one of the sunflowers and had pulled it over to the ground, broke it off, and drug it over there underneath the tree and was eating the head of the sunflower. So now I know what's been in here, and I don't know what I can use to take care of squirrels. And this is ridiculous. Just look at it. I guess the sunflowers are for the birds. And I know squirrels like sunflower seeds as well. So I fill their feeders with sunflower seed and corn. So the squirrel box is full and the squirrel in the jar feeder is full. So why aren't they eating their own feed? I don't know. But they want to get over here and destroy my sunflowers. So I really had not planned to do this garden chat today. I was just going to come out and water and then do some other things, and I just had to let you see what's happened. So we'll take a quick look around. You can see that the sunflowers have really all started to wilt. So I'm going to be digging them up probably tomorrow. I'm going to take them out and then I can put some other things in. Now take a look at this one. You can see where the birds have been in here. They've eaten all of the seeds out of here. There's like maybe one left in that one. And you can see there are a few seeds left in the head there. So that one's about gone. This one, they just ate the head off of it. The doggone squirrel probably just pulled it over and took the head off. And then this one, all the seeds are gone out of that one too. So I'm going to be digging these up and replace it with something else. And look here, I have a new inhabitant of my garden. A fairy has moved in. Look at her sitting there among the flowers. Where'd she come from? That sunflower is pretty much shot. And you can see I've got quite a bit of weeding I need to do. I just haven't been able to get out here, so I'm taking care of that today. But I kind of like this overgrown look sometimes. And then there's the flower pillow. You see how it's just growing crazy. I want you to take a look at this oregano plant. This is the one that I usually have sitting in the kitchen on that little stool. But since it was going to rain yesterday and through the night, I set it outside so it could get some sun and get some rain. And just look at it. Isn't it just gorgeous? It is so full. And then look. A little fairy moved in here too. I got these fairies from my sister and my mom for my birthday. Aren't they gorgeous? And of course, this is a little maple tree. I got them growing all over the place. I know I should trim it out, but I kind of like them. And here's a peek at the fairy garden with the sun and the morning dew on it. Look like something's been eating on it. Look, that's gone. There's that big caterpillar that's still there, but the one that's over there is gone. So I have to wonder, did a bird come along and eat it? You can see that I need to do a lot of work in here. I've been pretty busy lately, so I've not been out here weeding like I should, and I can just see while I'm talking there's some things that I need to get out of here. And I hadn't planned to do this today, but I'll pull a few while I'm here. Now here's my question for you. What part of today's garden chat did you find most interesting? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust.